My Lord, an event arose when my Lord the Chief Justice the benches were reshuffled, and a judgment.
आर्ग्यू करिए अपना केस
And
आप अपना केस आर्ग्यू करिए
my case has been. Allow me to give your Lordship a judgment on the issue.
आप कितना वक्त और लेंगे?
बस 15 मिनट और दे दूँगा अगर क्वेश्चंस ना हो तो। Lord, this is PLD 1998 Supreme Court 161. Malak Asad Ali case.
PLD?
Malak Asad Ali was Federation of Pakistan.
This is page?
This is PLD 1998 Supreme Court 161.
Okay, Asad Ali.
Lord, the question was with reference to the entitlement of the senior most person to be the Chief Justice of Pakistan. And the question was there a convention? And if there was a convention, did it have some binding force? This was the question. The Supreme Court, I take your Lordship on page 314, paragraph 95. We are inclined to agree with the conclusion that a constitutional convention once established has the same binding effect as a constitution. I don't want to read the rest of the para. Your Lordship has already said.
So, now I have a question.
Yes.
Are you saying that the senior most judge of the High Court must be made, because there's a convention, the Chief Justice upon the don't interrupt till I finish the question. Upon retirement of the Chief Justice, have I understood you correctly?
No, my Lord. Your Lordship is not. Then your Lordship will have to read the judgment. That judgment says that the senior most judge of the Supreme Court has to be appointed as Chief Justice because there's a convention and there's a past practice. And elaborate arguments have been given. And it is
convention in the High Court generally is to make senior most Chief Justice.
So
it becomes constitution.
This judgment doesn't talk about the High Court. It talks about the
बात हो रही ना असूल की बात हो रही ना असूलों की बात हो रही है
असूल वो है जो मेरे लिए जो जजमेंट में है आप खुद बता
ओके आगे
आप बता देंगे जो असूल उसके मुताबिक चलेंगे
आगे बताएं
जी सर
आगे बढ़िए
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।